Today I'm going to show you how can you open a new account, new YouTube account using new Gmail, or how can you create a YouTube channel using Gmail ID. So I'm going to discuss about that matter. So let's start. At first you have to open a Google Chrome browser and type there gmail.com. Then you have to open a Gmail account, and then after then you have to log in using your email ID and password. And you have to wait till it's logging. After logging, you have to log in again into Gmail account for you have to log in into Gmail account for logging your YouTube ID. Then you have to log in your YouTube account. You can see that I'm logging now. I'm going to logging into my YouTube account. Now you can see that I'm in my YouTube account. If you log in your Gmail account, your YouTube will be logging automatically. Then you can see the corner which sign of S. I'm clicking on that for create a new YouTube channel. You have to be patient, and now you can see now you have to click on there, create a YouTube channel, and you have to read something for your YouTube channel name. You have to write here your YouTube channel name. Suppose my YouTube channel name is I want to name my channel is Tuhin Teach. That's why I have to write there Tuhin Teach. You can see the blank name, so I will write there Tuhin Teach. And if you don't understand my video language, then just watch the full video for your solution. Then press create channel. After creating channel, I will show you how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. My channel is done to Teach, and now I will show you how can you upload a video. You can see that your channel is prepared now. My channel is prepared now. So Teach is my channel, and you can see everything, but this new channel, that's why there is nothing in my channel. And I will show you also how can you upload a video for your channel. Click on plus sign. You can see the video uploading option in the folder. This is your channel to Teach, and I will upload here a video. Click on plus sign and video sign. Here you will find a option for uploading. My net is slow, little slow, that's why there is a traveling. Now you can see uploading option after clicking on video sign, plus sign, and I found the uploading option. And you have to click OK, then you have to click on that sign or select file. To wait. And you have to choose any file from your folder. I have to choose, and I have to find out the video, which video I want to upload in my channel. I have to wait for that video. I have to select that video, and you can see I select already that video.